Hi there, Christian O'Malley here again from Cashmere, and today I'll welcome you to my new listing here at 19 Rossmore Terrace in Cashmere. This immaculate, warm and inviting home consists of 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 2 toilets, a separate laundry. It has spacious open plan kitchen, dining and living, a conservatory and excellent outdoor living. A quality home that has been updated over the years with multiple features including double glazing. It's fully insulated in the floor, ceiling and walls. It's got the heat pump and a DVS ventilation system. Then outside you've got plenty of sun, you have spectacular gardens, and on top of this you have the garden shed, the glass house and a freestanding double garage. Rossmore Terrace is located in a sought-after location. It's only minutes away from all the recreational activities that the Port Hills has on offer. It's only a short commute to the central city and is in zone for the popular Cashmere High School, Christchurch South Intermediate and Thorrington Primary School. It's now time for you to call this one home. Once again, I'm Christian O'Malley from Cashmere, and I look forward to meeting you.